Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Art, channeling messages from Spirit, Infinite Gratitude. I'm going to be using Tarot of the Divine today, and we're going to channel a message for the collective. This is going to be a collective reading. Spirit, any and all messages. You're discovering something. I feel like you've learned new information about something, or you're getting a lot of downloads, and information is just flowing through you, coming to you. You're discovering your power. I think you're discovering yourself. I think you're figuring out like what you're capable of, what you've managed to do that you didn't think was possible. I see you like discovering yourself, acquiring a new skill, trying something new. You've discovered like a new skill, like you've learned something new, you've tried something new, you have like a new skill, you have a new tool, you've discovered something that makes you stronger, more powerful. This tool, this new skill, this new ability, this new self-realization is empowering you. And for some reason, with the Eight of Swords coming in reverse, I just feel like it's intimidating. You look intimidating with this, especially with this new ability, with this new skill. It's intimidating. It's like scary to some person. I see you growing, trying new things, learning new things, becoming stronger, and there's somebody who's very intimidated by your strength, by what you can do. Someone who is silenced by things that it's like, I got a download here. So there's somebody who says a lot of things, or they were saying a lot of things. This person is no longer talking, or at least they're no longer referencing you because they can no longer talk on you. What you do and how you show up and how you present yourself, how you carry yourself, puts this person to shame. So this person went from talking, saying things that were untrue, saying things that were just blatant lies, putting you down, trying to put you down, and then the way you show up in your life and the way you live and the way you carry yourself puts this person's puts this person to shame, and it also invalidates everything that they said. This person said way too much, and it wasn't true. Like, this person could have sworn that you weren't who you really were. But the thing is, you don't talk the talk, you walk the walk. So there is no explaining yourself. It's only the way you live and the how you do that speaks for you. So somebody had to shut up. Somebody was talking mad crap, and then you just showed up and you just were like, you were who you said you were, or you were like genuine and authentic and real. So someone had to just shut up. You didn't even have to say anything to this person to get them to stop spreading these rumors, spreading lies about you. You didn't even have to confront this person or address this person for them to realize that they were making a fool of themselves talking about you. This person basically projected all of their flaws onto you. They tried to make you out to be what they were, and you could never be that. So you showing up and being yourself, and you presenting yourself and carrying yourself authentically puts this person to shame, and it puts this person in a place of just silence. I just see this person like shutting up, finding somewhere to hide. This person wants to hide, is trying to hide. They're no longer talking about you. They're no longer referencing you. They can't say nothing. They had to eat their words. They kind of look ridiculous, dumb, crazy, stupid, jealous. They look all types of chaotic, talking about you and saying the things that they were saying about you. So I see this person having to completely shut that down. John Henry vibes. That's so cool. I love this deck. Um, it's disappointing that you had to experience being lied on this way, but I see you seeing what is worth paying attention to. It's like all the gossip and ish talk that was going on did not stop you. Like, you've got a couple of, what is the phrase, knots on your belt. Like with this card, I just see you, like, you've just accumulated more skills. Like, you're accumulating more tools. You're developing and discovering yourself. That's so important to you. Look at your face. Like, this is everything to you. The fact that you've managed to learn something new and use that for your highest good, that's just so valuable. You wouldn't want to waste your time trying to prove people wrong, prove somebody wrong about the stuff that they said. Like, that's the satisfaction is in you developing yourself. The victory is in you developing yourself. Okay, with this Seven of Wands, someone is angry. They feel like they have to prove themselves. I feel like this person is just very, I don't want to just say, this is obviously like a John Henry reference, but I'm channeling this card as someone who feels the need to prove themselves, someone who's disappointed in themselves, they're angry, they're not happy with themselves. So they're doing things to feel worthy, to prove themselves. I feel like this could be someone who wronged you in the past. Someone who either was talking this ish or believed it. Either this person was the one doing this, going around spreading these rumors, trying to put you down, trying to belittle you. Either this person was doing this or they joined in on it and they were a part of it or they contributed to that gossip when it came to you. And I feel like this person was put to shame when you showed up for yourself and when you walked in your purpose. You put this person to shame and then they went on like a rampage because they wanted to recover their self-worth or they just wanted to feel better about themselves. This person put themselves down trying to put you down. And now it's like they're angry, mad at themselves, and they're doing like all of this to feel worthy or to feel better about themselves. They feel like they have to do so much to like come back from that L they took talking about you, putting you down. Like that's a serious L. So this person definitely had to do some extra shit to feel worthy, to feel like happy with themselves. I think like their self expectations went through the roof once they came across your energy and once they realized like what they had done and everything that they said about you was just a reflection of them. It put this person into high gear. So now they're like doing so much to feel okay with themselves, to be happy with themselves after putting you down, trying to put you down. They try to. The thing is, you never cared about what they were saying to begin with. This was more important to you. These skills, these tools, this self development and self actualization had always held more weight, was always more valuable than their opinions, their feelings. So now I see these people trying to like literally walk in your footsteps and actualize themselves to feel better about themselves. They're quite literally learning from you. They went from belittling you to learning from you. So this person, I feel like they went to extreme lengths to like come back from putting you down, trying to put you down. They had to like go through to extreme lengths to feel like worthy, feel better about themselves. I feel like because they talk so bad about you, and when you like basically put them to shame by being yourself, like not even trying to put them to shame, not even trying to hurt their feelings, like you literally just showed up and you were yourself, that made them eat their words, and now they're going to extreme lengths to feel worthy. They gotta do a whole lot of extra stuff just to feel like okay with who they are after what they did to you, tried to do to you. Spirit, tell me more. What else is there to know? Yeah, this situation initiated a death and a rebirth. I don't think it was you who had to undergo this transformation. Whoever it was trying to put you down had to go through a transformation, a death and a rebirth. I feel like this person definitely regrets treating you this way because they went through this transformation. They don't want to be that person who was trying to put you down, who was trying to talk crap about you, who was trying to spread lies about you. They don't want to be that person. They're very ashamed of their words. They're very regretful they don't want to be that person. So they had to do a lot to change to make them feel like they had grown or that they're growing. Or at least this person specifically. I don't know if this is the same, this is one individual who was doing this, or if this individual believed it, joined in on it, contributed to it, but they definitely had to undergo a transformation after being put to shame. Very guilty, very shameful, very regretful. Also, this hurt their self-esteem, their confidence, their self-worth. This person in specific, their confidence and their self-worth was definitely affected by what they said about you, what they tried to do to you. Like they had to do something with themselves, with their lives, or else they would not be happy with themselves. They would never have been happy with themselves. Spirit, tell me more. Heartbreak. Conflict of interests. You could have been dealing with somebody, taking somebody seriously, and then they disappointed you. Or they just wanted a surface level relationship and you were looking for something more.
Mommy, 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 mommy.
Somebody feels like their love has been wasted. But it's not all for nothing. Whatever didn't work out in your favor, it's not all for nothing. It wasn't in vain. There's these 2 cups that are left. Your tears are not in vain. Your heartbreak was not in vain. Spirit, can you elaborate? There's a new beginning here, passionate new beginning here. Power, strength. I think this is reflecting how we started the reading off. It's kind of how we're ending it. I see you like discovering some sort of skill, power, tool, capability, developing yourself, and there's this new beginning here, and you see the hand holding the paintbrush, and it's just representing to me this energy of you becoming more powerful, you becoming stronger, you having more impact and influence than you did before. Are you adding to your collection of skills? So it's not all in vain. There is a new beginning here. It's very passionate. You might be inspired to do some sort of art form, to create, and you are capable of doing this. You have the skills. To transmute this energy here of like lost love, wasted love. If anybody can transmute this heartbreak into something beautiful, passionate, alive, it's you. So with that being said, collective, there goes your reading. And I will talk to you guys very soon.